Okay, so today is our presentation day. So now Rajyo, you have to give your presentation about arsenic. So all of you, a big clap for Rajyo. Okay, now Rajyo start.
Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Muntakar Rajyo. I am in class 8 by school 7 Dhanwadi Government High School, Dhaka. Today I am going to give a presentation about arsenic pollution. So let's start. In our day-to-day life, we are experiencing new kind of problems. Our environment is facing new pollution. Arsenic pollution is one of them. Arsenic pollution is causing much harm to human life. It is found in water or especially in tubewell water. It causes sore in the fingers or any other part of the body. Sometimes the sore turns into gangrene, then to cancer. So at present there is no medical treatment or medicine to prevent arsenic pollution. The bad effects of arsenic pollution cannot be described in words. So we should take utmost care and guard against this poison. We should find out the remedy of this problem. First, we should drink water from a source that contains no arsenic. Tubewells need to be tested to separate safe from the unsafe. Safe tubewells should be painted green and unsafe ones should be painted red. Now, more tubewells should be set up which units are free from bacteria and arsenic. Surface water in the pond and river is free from arsenic and it can be used after a process of treatment. We should collect rainwater from drinking in a bacteria-free container. And we should boil water to remove arsenic. So that is all about my kind information on arsenic pollution.
Okay, thank you, great job.